Hello there, we are the Embarkers, and we would like to present to you a never-tried-before energy solution. Green symbolizes nature, while green energy is a both eco and environmentally friendly power source. For example, human body is a factory that generates heat continuously,
which is why we often feel a surge of heat when doing vigorous activities. Little has one knows that, while relaxed, human body is able to generate up to 84 watts of power per hour. So why not using this technically free and constant energy source to power our future?
Fabrication and testing of CNT PVDF film were done here in the chemistry lab of University Putra, Malaysia. Let me show you around. Let's go. The material used are PVDF in granules form and short multi-wall CNT. The hard-gate poly driver is used for the mixing of CNT PVDF. First, we pour the PVDF granule into the preheated mixing chamber. Next, we add in the CNT powder and set the mixing time for another 5 minutes. Using pliers, we cut down the big pieces of mixture into smaller chunks. Finally, the material is placed into the hot press. The machine reheats the material and applies uniform pressure to flatten it. The cooling of the final product is also done in this machine. Our final product is a very thin and flexible film of CNT PVDF. The temperature gradient causes electrons to diffuse from hotter region of the material to the colder one. This process gradually creates a potential difference, which in turn gives us a current flow. To acquire an ideal dimension, we did an experiment to investigate the contact area of human body and chair while seated. This is the final design of CNT PVDF film with dimension relative to the average contact area of human body and seat. The design is extended under the seat to create a temperature gradient across the film. We plan to implement our design onto every passenger seat. Now, imagine every seat as a solitary electricity generator and they are connected in series inside each row. Every row of seats will then be connected in parallel. At this point, the generator voltage is still too low for any application, which is why we require an ultra-low voltage step-up converter to amplify the voltage. Furthermore, the power out from each seat may not be consistent, thus it is not suitable to be used directly. Therefore, all the energy harvested is first stored into a battery before being distributed for passengers' use. As a precaution, a programmable integrated circuit is used to control the power supply to the cabin. In the time of power shortage or emergency, PIC is able to switch the power supply to the cabin from battery back to the main power supply.